Hello, everyone. My name is Peter Wittes, and I'm full-time professor and program coordinator of the Sport and Event Marketing Program, which encapsulates B400 or B420. Excited to share with you today in our information session overview of what this program is all about and how it can help you maintain learning momentum in your career specific to the sport and event marketing industry. Next slide, please. So why choose George Brown College's Centre for Business? Well, we are Canada's Centre for Business Possibilities in Applied Arts and Technology. We've operated at the speed of commerce in the heart of Canada's capital since 1967. Centre for Business is in a class of its own. We've got universal student diversity and equality across the campus. There's a dual professional faculty expertise that I would argue is like no other in Ontario. Our progressive curriculum exceeds ministry standards. The industry credibility from the class space to the workplace is recognized across Canada. There are endless extracurricular opportunities for you to get involved with. And our memberships with governing bodies ACBSP and IIBA further support the academic applied work that you embark on at our school. Next slide, please. Program overview. So by taking the Sport and Event Marketing Program, you would receive upon graduation an Ontario College Graduate Certificate. It's a full-time program, 12 months, 2 semesters in class, 1 semester working from an integrated work learning perspective. It's available in 2 unique modalities starting this fall, combining face-to-face sessions with online delivery. For in-person, the course code is B400, and for online, the program code is B420. Work integrated learning is required, which encompasses co-op programs, internships, or consulting projects, as well as we've got a hub entitled Start GBC for folks that are already in the entrepreneur space. So there's lots of options for your work integrated learning journey in an experiential fashion at the college. It's open to both domestic and international students, and the intakes are in winter, spring, and fall. Class size is normally around 50. Next slide, please. Extracurricular activities may include 5 to Watch, Canada Sports Business Awards Show, which takes place once a year, celebrating Canada's best and brightest emerging sport business leaders under the age of 40. It's a networking event that is encompassing all sport business leaders from across Canada. So clubs, symposiums, case competitions, etc., maintain momentum in the extracurricular opportunity space. Next slide, please. Admissions requirements is a bachelor's degree from university or advanced diploma from an accredited Ontario college, or extensive demonstrated work experience. Resume and references are required in that regard. Next slide, please. Course experiences for your first semester in either B420 or B400 would be computer applications for marketing, marketing management, applied business communications, sport and event marketing seminar, which is like a speaker series, almost like a weekly conference that you get to attend with speakers from industry. There's Event Planning and Management 1, which is the capstone course. There's our Foundational Principles of Sport and Event Marketing 1, and a work experience prep course as you get ready for your integrated work learning term, 2 semesters upwards. In second semester, you would take a more specialized approach to complement the first semester of foundational building as a sport and event marketing student. You'd be taking non-for-profit and cause-related marketing. You'd be taking marketing metrics. You'd be taking part 2 in event planning and management. You'd be taking a principles of marketing research course, and you'd be taking integrated marketing communication and digital fundamentals, otherwise known as IMC and digital fundamentals, as well as part 2 of your foundational principles of sport and event marketing course to round out your academic experience, leading into, as you go up that runway, your work experience term. Next slide, please. Quickly, the work integrated learning term, which is your semester 3, is something that everyone needs to complete, and certainly within the context of your learning journey provides a unique ending with a new beginning for you starting your work experience in an industry setting. These experiential learning opportunities are driven by co-ops, which are paid, internships, which are unpaid, or consulting, which is unpaid. Now, it's on a case-by-case basis, situations may change with the payments, the companies that are involved, and field experts in the education space are there to support you along the way to get you work integrated learning term ready. The work integrated learning term complements your academics through practical, hands-on industry experiences, which are all CV and resume relevant. We combine the academic practice with the in-industry experience to get you in a place for graduation so you're industry ready to turn learning into opportunity. Your career start could involve, after graduation, a job as an account manager or executive, an event coordinator, a game operations coordinator, a marketing coordinator, partnerships and sponsorships coordinator, or ticket sales coordinator. And other opportunities certainly go beyond this list, but this highlights a good part of the chunk of entry-level jobs that graduates often start in. So here's your next step. September 22 is just around the corner. It's the next open term, and if you are interested in applying, please apply today. I would encourage you to look at the all in-person opportunity, which is B400, if you want to be on campus for your entire learning experience in a physical classroom setting, face-to-face. If you are looking for something that is more online and 100% virtual to adjust to your lifestyle needs, we do have an online program that's launching this fall as well. They're both separate. One is in person, one is online. There's no blended learning here. They're completely separate programs, but both offer the graduate certificate that you need to succeed in the sport and event field. Thank you for your time today. For more information, please contact myself. My email is pwittis@georgebrown.ca, and I look forward to learning with you in the future.